The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. I feel so holy, 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 holy. The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. I feel so holy, 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 holy. The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. I feel so holy, 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 holy. The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. I feel so holy, 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 holy. Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes, and in this video, I want to show you the several versions how you can play Holy by Justin Bieber and Chance the Rapper. It's 4 chords going round and round and round all over the song. The song is played on the piano. It's quite hard for a beginner to play in that very key on the guitar. So I showed you several versions how you can play the song without a capo, with a capo in different positions, and also strummed or picked. So pick the version out that fits you the most. This is the important message here because it's the same 4 chords all over and over again. It's a beautiful song. It's a beautiful chord progression. It has some kind of like gospel feel in it. I will show you first a beginner version which has kind of like common chords you might know already. So let's start now with Holy. I would like to show you the first version. The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Okay? So we have the cool thing here that we stay with our ring finger in the 3rd fret of the B string all the time for all the chords. Just for the very first one we can just lift it up, but for the other 3 chords we just lower it in the 3rd fret of the B string. So we start with G, and we play it in a very easy version. Middle finger, 3rd fret, E string, the low E string, and you need to mute the string which is right next to it, the A string, with the back of your finger. And you strum until the B string. Don't strum the top string, the E string. Okay? The next chord is a D with an F sharp in the bass. For this version we're not in the original key, we're 1 step up, 1/2 step. So we're not in the key of F sharp, which is the original version, we're in the key of G. So G, and then we go to the chord called D over F sharp, 2nd fret, E string with your index finger, and we mute the next string, the A string again. Then open D string, 2nd fret, G string, and 3rd fret, B string with your ring finger, as I said before. So it's G, D with F sharp, and do a dry exercise if you want to, so your fingers know where they need to go. Do that for 50 or 100 times. This will take you just a couple of minutes. Then you play it. Really gentle strumming there. And then we move, after we did that once, this chord progression from G to D with F sharp and bass. We go to E minor 7. Index finger 2nd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, and ring finger 3rd fret B string. And we strum 5 strings here, E, A, D, G, and B. Okay, so it's G, D with F sharp and bass, E minor 7, and then we go to C added 9. Middle finger, 3rd fret A string, index finger, 2nd fret D string, and the ring finger still is in the 3rd fret of the B string, and we only hit the A, D, G, and B string. Beautiful chord. So it's G, with F sharp and bass, E minor 7, and C added 9. Again, G, D sharp, E minor 7, C added 9. You always strum without the high E string, okay? This is kind of like the beginner version if you've already checked out some chords on the guitar, and if you're capable of putting a capo on your guitar because you actually have one, you can play this version too. Now we are in the original key of F sharp and we use those chords here. And we use F. We start with a very easy F, no bar chord here. Ring finger, 3rd fret D string from the capo point of view, 1, 2, 3. Middle finger, 2nd fret G string, index finger, 1st fret B string. Only hit those 3 strings. And then you go to C with E in bass, middle finger, 2nd fret D string, open G string, and 1st fret B string. Only hit those 3 strings. So F, and then C with E and bass. Then we go to D minor, open D string, 2nd fret G string, 3rd fret B string, 1st fret E string. And then we play a B flat sus2 by playing it like this. Ring finger, 3rd fret D string, pinky, 3rd fret G string, index finger, 1st fret B string. You can also, of course, play a bar chord here, if you already can do this, but you don't have to. It's F. Sounds great, doesn't it? If you have a capo, you can also play another version, put it into the 6th fret, and then you play a C chord. Okay. 3rd fret A string, 1, 2, 3. 2nd fret D string, 1st fret B string. Only play the inner 4 strings, don't play the both E strings here. And then you go with the middle finger to the 2nd fret of the A string, you'll leave the index where it was, and you play A, D, G, and B string again. Also only 4 strings. C with B and bass, then we play A minor 7, beautiful chord there. Index stays where it was, middle finger goes to the 2nd fret of the D string, and we play again only 4 strings, A, D, G, and B string. So we have C, C with B and bass, A minor 7, and then we need to play the F chord, which we play like this, without a bar chord again. You can, if you can do it, but you don't need to. Ring finger, 3rd fret A string, pinky, 3rd fret D string, middle finger, 2nd fret G string, index fingers still in the 1st fret of the B string, and you play those 4 strings. So it's C, C with B and bass, A minor 7, and F. The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, I feel so holy, 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 holy. Okay. Beautiful version too. I mean, there's nothing wrong with any version of it. It's just so you can play it in a way that fits you the best. And now we have a version without pick. I just pluck the strings with my fingers. More for the advanced players, I guess. I pluck the low E string, 2nd fret, and 3rd fret G string, and I only pluck those 2 strings with the thumb and my middle finger. Okay? Don't hit any other strings like I just did. And then you jump to the 1st fret of the E string, 1st fret of the G string, and to the 2nd fret of the B string, and you only pluck those 3 strings with the thumb, index, and middle finger. So. And then we go to 6th fret A string, 4th fret D string, and 6th fret G string. Again, thumb, index, and middle finger. And then 2nd fret, 4th fret, 4th fret on the A, D, and G string for a B power chord. So it's F sharp, C sharp with F and bass, D sharp minor 7, and B power chord. The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, I feel so holy, 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 holy. And you can, after you pluck the strings, let them ring for a while and then you mute them with your fingers again. And if you have trouble with this, just stick for 1 chord and train this rhythm. And you take 2 chords. Again, your fingers really need to know where they have to go. And then you take the 3rd chord. And so on. I hope you had a lot of fun with this video. You had a version that fits you. Let me know which version was the best one for you in the comments. And also take a look in the video description. If you got messed up with this video, take a closer look for my free lessons for beginners, no matter if you're playing on an acoustic or on an electric, doesn't matter. Check it out. Free lessons just for you. You get to know everything you need to master your first steps on the guitar and to master a tutorial like this here on my channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. My name is Hannes and we see us in the next video. Take care. Bye.